Huh?
Okay, I'll be right back. I need to ask you one question. Okay, no problem. Okay?
I'm not ready. I'm looking. Yeah, I'm gonna get burger from
Pour you some water first. Our soup of the day is a a lobster bisque. And we have two quiche specials today if you'd like quiche. No, quiche is like an egg pie. So it has eggs, bacon, green chilies with cheddar cheese. And the next one has eggs, mushrooms, spinach, and Gruyere cheese. Okay? It's really good. And it comes with a side that you can choose them under the sandwiches.
So I already started eating. You cannot have that set up recording the restaurant and us as employees. I'm sorry about that. Yeah. Thank you. Sorry. Before I go wandering away, are there any other drinks that I can get you guys?